Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Brad, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on government furnished equipment. What is government furnished equipment, or what I call GFE? Government furnished equipment is equipment that is owned by the government and delivered to or made available to a contractor. GFE is normally specified in a request for proposal or contract. The determination of GFE is usually made by the government program manager and contracting officer. What is the government furnished equipment policy? The government's official GFE policy is stated in Federal Acquisition Regulations Section 45.102, which states, contractors are ordinarily required to furnish all property necessary to perform government contracts. Contracting officers shall provide property to contractors only when it is clearly demonstrated to be in the government's best interest, that the overall benefit to the acquisition significantly outweighs the increased cost of administration, including ultimate property disposal, that providing the property does not substantially increase the government's assumption of risk. Government requirements cannot otherwise be met. The contractor's inability or unwillingness to supply its own resources is not a sufficient reason for the furnishing or acquisition of property. Exception: the property provided to contractors for a repair or overhaul is not subject to the requirement. What are the types of government furnished equipment? The types of GFE that are available are: government furnished aeronautical equipment, government furnished equipment, government furnished facilities, government furnished information, government furnished material, government furnished property, and finally, government furnished software. Who allows for government furnished equipment? The government contracting officer is responsible for determining whether or not government property should be provided to a contractor. In providing government property to a contractor, the contracting officer must also make sure that a contractor is not given an unfair competitive advantage over another contractor who may not have government property. Thank you for watching this tutorial on government furnished equipment. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.